Hi guys, today I'm going to speak about the offline education and online education's advantages and disadvantages. So the first I will start with online education. As far as the online education is concerned, this is the need of the hour. So let me put some point for to you, and then you will understand that how this online education is better than offline education. So the first one, it saves money, energy, and time. In order to take the online classes, we don't need to step out from our house, and also we don't need to use the public and private transport like the car, bus, and bike. So it can save our money, time, and energy as well. So the next one is it's very flexible. Like you can take the online classes from everywhere. You need only devices like the laptop, mobile, or tab. If you have that and if you have that internet connection, so you can take the online classes from everywhere, wherever you want. So the third one is time management. Suppose if someone is working, so that person doesn't have that much time to go to school or any class to take the classes. But if the online classes are there, so he can easily take the online classes, by coming from his work. So like this, he can take the online classes at evening, at night. But if you see, it's not possible in that offline classes, because most of the time, if you see schools and colleges, they starts in the morning and it get closed in the evening. So therefore, the online education plays a very crucial role here. So the third one is class recordings. Yes. So if you see that, if you are taking the online classes, so the on recording option is there, so you can record that, and after that class, you can go to that recording and you can understand that what exactly the tutors have taught us. So it is not option, that option is not available in offline classes. So whatever the teachers are teaching us, we will have to give attention at that time. After that class, we can't recall all those things, but if we have recordings, so we can easily go through that, we can understand that what exactly our tutors have taught us. So the next one is lack of opportunities to learn new advanced technologies in offline classes, but it's very easy in that online classes, so we can learn those all things in that online classes. So therefore, online education is better. So next one is this online education is definitely very safe for all women and girls. Like they don't need to step out from their house. In order to take the online classes, they can take the classes from their home itself. So they don't need to go out. So this is very safe. Online education is very safe for women and girls. So now I'm going to talk about the offline education. So the first one is how this offline education is better than online education. So you can understand by I'm going to put some points through that. So the first one is we don't need any devices like that laptop, mobile, that tablet, or even we don't need that light, charger, charging, recharge. We don't need anything. Directly, we can go to the offline classes, and we can take the offline classes. So teachers or the tutors will teach us, and we can learn those things, and we can note down their things in our book. So we don't need this kind of devices in that offline education. So the next one is less distractions. Yes, in offline educations, there are no any distractions. If you are taking the classes in that classroom, so teachers teach us, so we can understand that easily, and teachers also keep eye on all students. So what exactly the the students are doing, or understanding, or this and that, so they can understand this all things, what exactly the students are doing, so they can check that, which is not possible in online education. Because whenever the online education the students take, you can see that at one time, so many students take the online classes, so it's very difficult for the tutor to check that what exactly the students are doing, because the very small pictures they can teachers can see on their laptop. Next one is solutions. And if the any question solution, if the any student has any question, so that questions can be easily solved in the classrooms. but it's a little bit difficult through that online classes, because so many students are there. So it will be very difficult for that tutor to check that what exactly the student is asking the question. So this is the thing. One is, in that offline classes, they don't need any device, so there is no any problem with that network and uh, there is no any problem with that poor network and that all things, which is very difficult in that online education. If we don't have a proper network, so we can't take the online classes. So therefore, that offline education is better. In that online classes, we use the tablet and any other devices, so it harms our eyes. So there is no any problem in that offline class. So this is all about this offline education and online education's advantages and disadvantages. So every coin has two sides. So like that, here also the offline and online educations and advantages and disadvantages, it's differ to person. So now which one you have to choose, that is all up to you. So thanks for watching.